My name is Chloe, and this is Neuro by Myalo New Mind. Neuro is Myalo's formula for enhancing brain to muscle connection. Every single one of our movements begins with signaling between the brain and the muscles. So Neuro can be used before any physical activity, whether that's at home, at the gym, whether it's athletic or regenerative. Neuro enhances our body's natural ability to experience strength and performance. To use Neuro dispense a little bit onto your finger, rub it between your fingers and your thumbs, and swipe it through your hair on both sides of your head and then down the middle, covering the entirety of your head. No need to touch your skull, you can hover it above your hair. Then proceed with whatever activity it is that you're getting into and enjoy your extra sense of strength and ability.